Okay. Uh, I have different data files, like you can see here. This dcg.cpt is in this form, right? So if I just want to read this RGB value, how can you read that? I just want to use the awk command to read that value. So if I want to read that RGB value, I just do awk and then start the awk loop, and I know that the line number for this value is 2, right? So there is a way to define the line number inside the awk. So you do nr is the number of record, nr we want it to be 2, right? And then we just print $0, print the whole line itself of this dcg.cpt.